Hey guys, my bike check. Just got back into riding. Got all some new parts. Spray painted my frame and forks. Yeah, I'll tell you what I got. First of all, I got the BSD bars. They're 29 wide and 9 high. I've got the Aaron Ross keyboard grips and the Odyssey bar ends. I've got the proper top load stem. And then I got the stolen Vortex forks. And I got the Shadow Conspiracy front wheel rim and Shadow Conspiracy hub female. I got the set peg front and back. And then my frame is the We the People Justice 2009 or 8, not too sure. And then I got the S&M seat pivotal with the Fit seat pole and the Kink seat clamp. Next I got the BSD 2-piece cranks. They're 165 long. And I got the Odyssey $1 Million sprocket. It's got the chain guard. I got the stolen half-link chain. And at the back I got the Rebel wheel. I'm thinking about getting the same one as the front, the Shadow Conspiracy, pretty good rim. And I got the set. And I got the Odyssey pedals, green. They go alright, the last bit. And yeah, that's my bike check. Oh yeah, and I forgot one thing. That's my Colony headset.